There's a variety of reasons why you might range name something. All a range name is allows you to change a range of cells to something more meaningful. For example, rather than have a formula that references G and H, and when I look at the formula, I don't necessarily know if that's the correct data or not, I might want to highlight this data, and if I click over here and type in the word list, and press enter, that range of cells is now no longer G9 to H15. It's now referred to as list. The beauty of this is if I want to navigate around, I can click on any worksheet, come up to the name box and click list, and it will bring me back to that location. It's also helpful if, for example, I have some figures here and I want to range name this as fourth quarter sales. So I click up here and I can type in fourth quarter sales. Now you can range name with up to 32 characters. You can't have spaces, but you can use underscores. You must press enter for your range name to be activated. So the beauty of this is if I wanted to put this result of fourth quarter sales somewhere else, I simply type in equals, and then I could just type in fourth quarter sales, and you could see it pop up there, and if I double click on that, it pops in fourth quarter sales, and I just press enter. If at any point in time that number changes, then it will automatically update. So it acts a bit like a hyperlink as well when it's linking to a particular cell. So that's a little bit on range names.